So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket, and LM Studio has got a huge update. Yes, you heard it right. Now LM Studio supports MTP models, that is multi-token prediction, which makes any LLM faster. As you can see on my screen, I'm right now running Qwen 3.627b MTP model in my local system, and I'm able to get a response in about 1.5 minutes. It is GGF model and we have just 4 GBs of GPU in the system. Still, I was able to run Qwen 3.527b. It's a great receive. So first of all, let me test out the model and let's see how much time does it take. Tell me what is the capital of India. Later on, I'll tell you how to get started with MTP in LM Studio. If you don't know, I think similar to Olama, LM Studio also helps you access local LLMs. And MTP was a recent release by Google where it makes the model faster by up to 63% by introducing a smaller model. So I've already discussed about what is MTP in the previous video. You can check that out. This video is mostly about how you can use MTP models with LM Studio and make any LLM Qwen 3.6 especially faster by 63%. Here you can see that it started thinking, analyzing user input. It is a little slow because I am using just 4 GBs of GPU, but still, if you look, I am able to run this model in quite fast time. Else, it would have taken ages for me to output, but this time it is about 50 to 60 times faster compared to if you run it without an MTP. It's retrieving knowledge. As you can see, the thinking bot is working here. I have talking about the model size. Qwen 3.627b is by Unsloth, hence it's the GGF version, and it is about 17 to 18 GBs in my memory. So that's huge. But I'm able to run one of the best open source model in my local system, that too at quite a decent rate. Here you can see that it's verifying accuracy. This is how what works in MTP. You have a small model, the smaller generates, and the bigger model just verifies the output. As you can see, the entire thinking process is visible here. Soon we will be getting an output too by the model itself. Formulating everything as you can see here. Keep it clear as you can see. Keep clear and direct. Capital of India is Delhi. I think soon we will be having an answer also ready with us. Optionally add a brief note if needed. This is all running in my local system, not using internet. So there's the best part, and it's quite fast also, I would say. Given my GPU is very small, I think I will take this output and this speed also help with the help of MTP. As you can see, the output final output is generated. The capital of India is New Delhi. Output is here. So how did I run it? It's very easy. First of all, you need to install LM Studio. I hope that you already know how to install it. If no, just Google LM Studio and download the exe file. Next, just go to the chat part. Here are the models. Open model loader. Click here and you can type in for the name. Like for example, I am using Qwen 3.6. As you can see, 27b. You need to provide the first of all, you need to provide the Hugging Face link. So if you mention here Gamma 4, let me search like this. Here you can see that Gamma 4 31b is present here. If I write MTP also, let me check whether MTP version is present or not. Here you can see that the MTP version is present here. E4B IT MTP Assistant Ultra Light. You can download the model. Let me try it out once. Full GPU offload is possible with this model. As you can see here, and then you can hit enter and get started with any of the MTP models. So with this, it's a wrap. I hope you try out the MTP models on LM Studio. It will make any LLM faster by a huge margin in your local system. Thank you so much. Have a good day.